in the fourth chapter, you should know GST, correct? You should know GST, okay? CGST, SGST, UTGST, okay? Now, let's see, GST was implemented in India from 1st July 2017. Very important also, important information. GST was implemented in India, okay? When? 1st July 2017. Okay. Now, how we will relate SGST and CGST? Okay. SGST and CGST. Okay. How we will relate? So SGST is equal to CGST is equal to half of GST. Okay. Next, amount paid by the consumer. What amount is paying by the consumer? How we will calculate? Amount paid by the consumer is equal to taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. CGST is always equal to the SGST. Is it clear? There are different types of slab. So you should know what are the slabs. Okay. Different types of slab and their rate of GST. Okay. So let's see what are the different types of slab and their rate of GST. Types of slab: zero rated, rate of GST is 0%. Low rated, in that rate of GST is 5%. Standard rated, that is also called as a first slab, 12%. Standard rated, that is second slab, 18%. Highly rated, that is 28%. These are the types of slab and their rate of GST. Is it clear? Up to here you understood? Okay. Now in 4.1, we will start. A very simple questions are there. In that GST is given. Sometimes you have to find out CGST. Sometimes CGST is given. You have to tell only SGST. Okay. Sometimes CGST is given and you have to find SGST, and then you have to find out the GST. So such type of questions are there in the practice set 4.1. 4.1 we have to do, 4.2 we have to do, and 4.4 we have to do. Correct? And practice set 4A. Understood? Now let's see the practice set 4.1. Is it clear? Let's see the first question of 4.1. Pawan Medical supplies medicine. On some medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. Rate of GST is 12%. And what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Okay. So 12% is their rate of GST. Understood the question properly? Read the question 2-3 times if you not understood while reading the. Yes, Om Jaiswal, what happened, beta? You have raised the hand. Oh, okay. He's not responding. Yes. What is the doubt? टाइप करके भेज दो चैट बॉक्स में. या अनम्यूट करूं आपको? तो वेट, ओम जय स्वामी। यस, ओ नाउ यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट।
यस सर। सर जैसे मैथ्स 2 में चैप्टर सेकंड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, उसमें 2.2 कैंसिल हो गया है।
On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Okay, then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? So very simple question, na? Correct? We got rate of GST is 12% given. Correct, na? Rate of GST is what? 12%, and it is given. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. We know that. What we know? We know that rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. ये हमको पता है कि नहीं? आप लोगों को पता है कि नहीं? पता है ना? Correct. So rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. Okay. So we know that rate of CGST plus rate of SGST is equal to what? Rate of GST. Correct? CGST plus SGST is equal to GST. So twice of rate of GST. Simple explain, आपको explain किया गया है ये, but आप चाहे तो direct भी कर सकते हो इसको, no problem is there. Twice of rate of CGST is equal to 12%. So rate of CGST is equal to what? 12 divided by 2. That is 6%. Okay. So rate of CGST is 6% and rate of SGST is also 6%. Is it clear? So simple question was there. Correct, na? Okay. Next. Let's see the second question now. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Very simple. अगर CGST 9% है तो SGST कितना रहेगा? Tell me, what is the rate of SGST? Yes, Riya, correct. Because we know that rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST, and CGST is 9%, then SGST is also 9%. Then what is the rate of GST now? I am getting very less response. Yes, Bhumi. Ronit. Oh, Ronit. Ronit ने आंसर दिया भाई, बहुत दिन के बाद. Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi, correct. Arya, very good. But Arya, your answer is wrong, huh? Arya, your answer is wrong, huh? Viral, correct. Riya, correct. Om, correct. Bhumi also. Okay. So, very simple question is there. Correct. CGST is given. CGST is given 9%. Rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST is equal to 9%. दोनों 9% हो जाएंगे. We know that rate of GST is rate of SGST plus rate of CGST. which is 9 plus 9, that is 18%. Okay, what it is? 18%. Is it clear? Okay, so simple question was there, na? Now come to the question number 3. Okay, we will move to the question number 3. Mr. and Mrs. Real Paint sold 2 tin of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Now we have to find the amount of CGST and SGST. So this type of questions also you have learned in the 7th, 8th standard, I think, 8th or 9th percentage. Okay, because here percentage is given, total amount is given. Okay, so Mr. and Mrs. Real Paint, MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800 or 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Okay. Now total taxable value of 2 tin of luster. Okay. Here see. And taxable value of each tin is 2,800. एक tin का cost है 2,800 rupees. So 2 tin का cost कितना होएगा? पहले आपको find out करना. So what will be the cost of 2 tin luster paint? Correct? 2,800 into 2. Okay, that is 5,600. Okay. Now we know that 20%, 28% is the GST, and if we take CGST or SGST, then it will be 14%. Correct? So 14% of 5,600. You understood? 14% of. I think this type of questions are there in the 8th standard. Correct, na? 5% of 26, 3% of 74. Like this type of questions are there in the 8th standard. So exactly that it is 14% of 5,600. Okay, let's see how we are going to write in the exam. Suppose such type of question will come. Total taxable value of 2 tin. Total taxable value of 2 tin of luster paint is 2,800 into 2. That is 5,600. We know rate of GST is 28%. That is given. That is given. Rate of CGST and rate of SGST is equal to 14% because both are same. CGST is equal to SGST. So it is 14%. Now you know half of GST. Correct, na? So you can do it that. Okay. After that, amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST. Let's see what is the charge. That is 14 upon 100 into 5,600. That is 14% of 5,600. That is 784. That you have to calculate it. Okay. Those 2020 will be cancelled. Okay. Then you have to multiply. Is it clear? So कुछ doubt है? They can ask. I am giving a time to you. इसको doubt नहीं है ना? Yes, good. So you can see here, फिर भी मैं आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए बता देता हूँ, ये 0 0, ये 0, ये 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या बचता है 14 into 56. When you multiply 14 into 56, you will get 784. Is it clear now? Okay. Now we will see the next question, that is fourth question. Okay. Come to our fourth question. The taxable value of a wristwatch belt is 586 rupees. 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Okay, taxable value of wristwatch belt is 586. Taxable value is given. Okay, rate of GST is given 18%. Okay, so whatever the amount will come, that will be added in the taxable value. Is it clear? Yes. Ronit. Correct. Ronit, now solve it. Okay, let's see. Taxable value is given, that is 586 rupees. 586. Rate of GST is also given 18%. Okay, so amount of GST 18 upon 100 into 586. 18 upon 100 into 56. So it will come in point, which is equal to 105.48. 105.48. Next, as we know the price, we have to find the price of the belt. Correct? So price of the belt for the customer is taxable value plus amount of GST. Taxable value plus amount of GST. Because the amount of GST is not given, only rate of GST is given. So we have find the amount of GST, that is 105.48. So add this 105.48 in the taxable value. Okay, so 586 plus 105.48, which is equal to 691.48. Okay, okay. Yes. So the price of the belt for the customer is 691.48 rupees. Okay. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ डाउट है, कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा, क्या मालूम पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ डाउट है क्या आपको? इन डाउट इज देयर रिगार्डिंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? I think very simple question is here. It is in this question, rate of GST is given and taxable value is given. We have to find out GST first of all, and once we find the GST, how to find out the GST here? GST means here it is 18% is given, so 18% of 586. 18% of 586. Then we will get the GST on 586. That will be added in the taxable value. So that will become the price of the belt. Whatever the GSTs are there, that customer have to pay. Okay, and when the customer is paying, then only the shopkeepers or the dealers, they are paying. Okay, sometimes we pay the GST, but the shopkeepers are not paying the GST. Okay, Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Read the question 2-3 times. The total value with GST, in this question with GST. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is rupees 1,770. Rate of GST is 18% on the toy. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for this toy car. Okay. Now here 1778 is the total amount in which GST is included. In which GST is included. Okay. Rate of GST is 18%. Means whatever the amount is there, in that amount, our GST amount is also added. But here it is said that the rate of GST is 18% on the toy. We have to find out the taxable value. Whatever the taxable value is there, that we have to find out. Okay. If we find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for this toy car. Understood the question now? Ronnie, correct. Okay. Now, let the taxable value of the toy car be X. हम लोग assume कर लेंगे कि taxable value of toy car be X. Rate of GST is given. Given or not? Given. Na? So taxable value of the car plus amount of CGST is equal to, that is given. Amount of GST is also given. Correct na? Rate of GST is given, that is 18%. Taxable value of the toy car plus amount of GST is equal to 1770 or 1770. Okay. Taxable value we have assumed. Correct. Taxable value हमने क्या किया है? Assume किया हुआ है. क्या है वो? X. So X plus 18 upon 100, 18 upon 100 into X. 18 upon 100 is equal to 1770. 1770. Correct? Now, that is here 18% is added. Okay, 118 upon just wait. Some okay. So I think X is equal to, when you multiply, you will get 1500 actual amount. The taxable value of the toy car is 1500. Okay. Again, I am repeating. Total value 100 plus 18, so it will become 118. Total value is given. Okay. So X upon 7. 1770 is given. 1770 is given. So we have to take the ratio form. I will show you so you will understand properly. Wait, I will show you on the screen. screen. Just wait. Okay. See now. Just wait, because when yes, x upon 1770 equal to 100 upon 118. It is 118. Okay. One one eight. So after this, you understood what you have to do. X is equal to this number will come and multiply here. So 100 upon 118 into 1770. Okay. Yes, transposition. Correct. Swayam Shelke. Very good. Transposition. Very good. So in this way, we can calculate and find out the value of x. Is it clear? So GS taxable value we will get 1500. Okay. And once we get we know the GST is 18%. What the value we will get? If we solve these, we get the value 1500. Okay. We know GST is 18%. Correct? So we have to find out 18% on 1500. So 18%, GST is 18%. Correct? Na? That is given. GST 18% is given. So we have to find out the amount 18% of 1500. 18% of 1500. 18% means 18% means 100. 100 into 1500. Correct? So what will happen now? This 20 will cancel by this 20. So what will remain? 18 into 15. 18 into 15. Is it clear? Now multiply it. So what you will get? 270. Correct? So GST of 18% is what? 270 rupees. Okay. Now we know what we have to do for CGST and SGST. Correct? CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. And GST is 270. So divide by 2. You will get CGST and SGST. What is that? So 15% of 1,500, 18% of 1,500 is 270. Okay. So now you understood. Share. किसी को कुछ डाउट है इसमें? Okay. So we will move to the question number 6. Okay. Yes, we will move to the question number 6. In the question number 6, wait, I have to go on the PPT. Question number 6. Tip-top Electronics supplies an AC of 1.5 ton of a company to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Again, it is with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-top Electronic. Rate of SGST, rate of CGST. We have to find rate of SGST. We have to find rate of GST of on AC. Correct? Taxable value of AC, total amount of GST, amount of CGST, amount of SGST. Okay. So as you know that rate of CGST on AC is 14%. So you know what is the rate of SGST. Correct, na? What is that? Yes, Neeraj. I think you have joined late, very late, Neeraj. Yes, good. Reply. When you reply, then only I will know that you have understood properly. Cost of the AC supplied is 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST is given, that is 14%. So we know that rate of SGST. So rate of SGST is what? 14%. Now what will be the rate of GST on AC? 14 plus 14. Correct? Okay. That is 28%. Correct, na? GST will be what? 14% plus 14%. CGST plus SGST is equal to GST. Correct, na? So 14 plus 14, that is 28%. Here again we have to assume that the cost of AC be 100. Let's see what is that. So we have found the rate of SGST. We have found the rate of CGST on AC. Correct, na? These two things we have found. Yes or no? Correct, na? Now we have to find the taxable value of AC and total amount of GST. Okay. Come to the next question. Yes, we have to solve it. Correct, na? Solution. Rate of SGST on AC is rate of CGST on AC, that is 14%. Rate of GST on AC is 14 plus 14, that is 28%. We have done this orally. Correct, na? Let the cost of AC be rupees 100. Taxable value. Let the cost of AC be 100. GST is 28%. We know that. We have done this. The cost of AC with GST is 128. 100 plus 28. 100 plus 28. That becomes 128. Is it clear? Then for the total value of rupees 128, the taxable value is rupees 100. Again, we have to take in there. Let the taxable value of AC be rupees X. So we will take one formula, that is total value upon taxable value is equal to constant. Okay, so 51,200 upon x is equal to 128 upon 100. So first we will do the transposition. So x will move to 128, 100 will move to the 51,200 into 100, and then 121 will come in the place of x. So 51,200 upon 128 हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 128 यहाँ पे आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, yes, good, like this way only. Okay, so we will get, after solving, we will get 40,000. What we will get? 40,000. Okay, is it clear or not? Okay, tell yes or no. As you know that 128 into 4, if we 128 into 4, that is 512, correct? So 4 into, how many 0 are remaining? 4 0 are remaining, correct na? So that becomes 40,000. 128 into 4, which is equal to 512. Okay, so it will divide 4 times. So 400 into 100, that is 40,000. Okay, understood now? Okay, so the taxable value of AC is 40,000. Total amount of GST is equal to cost of the AC with the GST minus taxable value of AC. Is it clear? So in 51,200 minus 40,000, 51,200 minus 40,000. So what we will get? 11,200. Now fifth one, amount of CGST. अभी हमको GST, total amount of GST divided by 2. So we will get amount of CGST. So 11,200 divided by 2. Amount of CGST, total amount of GST divided by 2. So 11,200 divided by 2. That is 5,600. Amount of SGST, that is also same, 5,600. Is it clear? So I think we have completed this exercise 4.1. Is it clear? Any doubt is there in this exercise? Siddesh, any doubt is there? No doubt. Okay, clear. So our time is also over. Tomorrow we will do 4.2. Okay, is it clear? We will stop here.